Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the Gawfolk 49-inch curved gaming monitor, a massive ultra-wide display that completely transforms how your setup feels the moment you power it on. This thing is huge, and I mean that in the best way possible. With a 32:9 aspect ratio and sharp 5120 by 1440 dual QHD resolution, it's basically like having two 27-inch monitors seamlessly fused together. The 1500R curve wraps around your field of view, making racing games, flight sims, and open-world titles feel incredibly immersive. It genuinely feels like the screen disappears and you're just inside the action. But it's not only about gaming. For productivity, this monitor is a multitasking beast. I had my full video editing timeline stretched across the screen, reference clips on one side, and effects panels on the other, all without minimizing a single window. It makes workflow smoother and far less cluttered. You also get 100% sRGB coverage and HDR10 support, so colors look vibrant and accurate, whether you're editing content or watching movies. The 120Hz refresh rate with adaptive sync keeps gameplay fluid and tear-free, even in fast-paced shooters. Now, one quick thing to keep in mind, at 250 nits brightness, it's great for most rooms, but very bright, sun-filled spaces might require adjusting your setup. Overall, if you want maximum immersion, insane workspace, and a true statement piece for your desk, this 49-inch ultra-wide absolutely delivers.